All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm here to answer one simple question. Larry, I'm kind of into lewd games or games that I don't want people to know that I play, and I don't want them to show up down here in my recent activity, and I don't want them to show up when people click on the game inside of like the actual game itself on their store page. It shows like people who bought this that you know. I don't want it to show up there, but I also don't want to block my friends from seeing other games that we might play together because it's super convenient for them to be able to be like, oh, we should play, Repo together. We should play Peak together. Well, you can actually do this on a game by game basis. So if you find a game like this, like Princess Conquest is a lewd game, not everybody wants their friends to know they play lewd games. You can find this game in your Steam library and you can right click it and you can go to properties, and under properties there is a handy tab called privacy. And privacy allows you to do three things. You can hide the game in your library. So let's say you still live at home and mom and dad don't approve of you playing lewd games on the family computer. You can hide this game from everybody else that plays on this computer by simply toggling this, and now it's disappeared from this list. And the only way you can see it again is if you go to view, and up here at view, you say hidden games. And only somebody who knows that something is hidden would have any idea that that game exists on this computer. I mean, there's other ways they can look, but they'd have to know to look. Now, the other stuff here, if you don't care about this because you live on your own or no one around you is going to look, is you can also mark this game as private. And if you mark this game as private, it's going to come over here and put an eyeball over your manage button when you click on this game in your library. And what this is going to do is it's going to prevent this game from showing up in your recently played games section. It will not show up on the game activity on the store page for the game. So it won't say like, oh, so-and-so also owns this game. And that way you can leave on the fact that people can see what games you play, just not this one specifically. And if you're worried about some information somewhere slipping out that you don't want people to know about you playing this game, they also have the option for you to delete the in-game overlay data of Steam's overlay, keeping tabs on, certain information about your game and gameplay habits for your convenience. You can delete that data here by simply clicking this delete button. So it's super convenient and it's all in one place to have you give full control over which each individual game people can actually see being played on your profile. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you found this helpful to maintain privacy on Steam. I'll show you in a later tutorial how to lock Steam down so no one can see what you're doing, not even your friends. And I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.